last video, I showed you how to connect your phone to our GoPro camera. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all of the steps that you need to get going from taking everything out of the camera bag to start recording your first video. Once you've installed the GoPro app on your phone and you've synced your phone to the camera, this process that I'm about to show you shouldn't take but about 30 seconds or so. And you should be able to just open the bag, set everything up, click record, and go. At least in a perfect world. So let's walk through those steps. When you check out one of our GoPro cameras, you're going to get a bag just like this one. When you open it up, everything should come more or less like it is here. The first and most important thing is going to be the GoPro camera itself and the microphone that's attached to it. In addition to that, you've got your tripod. So the very first thing you'll probably want to do is screw that tripod right into the bottom of the metal bar that's on the bottom of our GoPro to make sure everything is nice and snug. Then you can open up the legs here, set the tripod on a camera, and the next thing you'll want to do, we'll make you a little more straight, is connect the red end of your microphone cable to the back of the wireless microphone. And this black end is going to go into this little side doorway of the camera itself. Once you plug all those things in, you're all set. If you want to just start recording, you can set it on a table, press the power button that's on the very back of the camera for about 1 second. You'll see the red indicator light turn on, and then this display screen on the top of the camera will start to display all the different information. If you don't want to use your phone and you just want to record, you can press the red shutter button on the top of the camera. It'll beep a couple of times, and you'll see the clock will start ticking, indicating that you're recording, and as long as you let it go, it's going to continue counting until either it runs out of battery or memory space, or you tell it to stop recording. To do that, you just press the button one more time. And again, you'll hear it beep, indicating that it has done the thing you've asked it to. And that's about the simplest way to start recording. In addition to that, if you want to use your phone, probably the most likely way you're going to want to use this to record is you're going to turn on the camera, and then you're going to open up the GoPro app on your phone. There on your phone, you're going to open up the app, and you're going to find the GoPro that you have synced with your phone. In the case of this camera, it's called Hero 5 Session 3. So I'm going to press the icon to open up the app, and it'll say searching for camera. This process can sometimes take 2 or 3 tries, but usually it doesn't take very long at all. And when it does work, you'll see GoPro wants to join Wi-Fi network Hero 5 Session 3. It's going to join the Wi-Fi and connect to our camera. So I click join, and when I do, it'll think for a few seconds. Usually you'll see the Wi-Fi indicator light up blue there in the background. And then once it does connect, the display screen will automatically start to show you what's being seen by the camera itself. Then, on the display screen, if you turn your phone sideways, it'll widen out so you can see a little bit more clearly what the camera sees. And if you want to start recording, you simply press the white circle here on the right-hand side of the screen. When you do, the camera beeps one more time, just like it did before, indicating that it's recording. And on the top of the camera, the clock is ticking there, and it's also ticking here on the phone screen as well. When you're done recording, you simply press what is now the red square to stop. You hear the beeps indicating that it's done, and that's all there is to it. That's how to take everything out of the bag, get set up, press record, and start making your first video. In the next video, I'm going to show you what all of those different settings on your phone mean and do, so that while you're recording or in between videos that you might record, you can tinker with some of those settings to get exactly the effect that you want for your next video.